Alpine's Hemp Company. Gummies, seltzers, syrups, and more. Treat yourself to the best.
The individuals depicted have been arrested but not convicted at the time of story postings. This information does not infer or imply guilt of any actions or activity other than their arrest. We make no warranty or guarantee as to the accuracy of this data. The WHKY News continues now with today's crime report. I'm Ralph Mangum. 31-year-old Haley Ann Nichols of Playmore Beach Road in Lenoir was arrested by Caldwell County Sheriff's officers on June 24th on a charge of felony negligent child abuse with serious physical injury. She was placed in the Caldwell County Detention Center with bond set at $200,000 secured. Nichols will appear in district court on July 10th in Lenoir. 24-year-old Gerson Anthony Reyes Morales of Minneapolis, Minnesota was arrested by Burke County Sheriff's officers in the early morning hours on June 20th on felony counts of kidnapping, attempted kidnapping, and soliciting a child by computer for sex acts. He also faces misdemeanor counts of driving while license revoked, resisting a public officer, and attempted contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Reyes Morales was arrested in connection with an ongoing investigation. He was intercepted by law enforcement in Morganton while attempting to meet with a 14-year-old victim for sexual acts. Reyes Morales was jailed under no bond on the felony charges with a $25,000 secured bond on the misdemeanors. He'll appear in district court on June 26th with another court date on the misdemeanor set for July 17th. 57-year-old Danny Lee Berry of Berrytown Avenue in Morganton has been arrested by Burke County Sheriff's officers on charges of felony possession of a firearm by a felon and misdemeanor failure to secure a firearm in the protection of a minor. On June 22nd, Sheriff's officers responded to a report of a child suffering from a single gunshot wound at Berry's residence. Deputies were told the victim was about 3 years old and had a gunshot wound to the foot. Deputies and Burke County EMS arrived on the scene and rendered aid to the injured child. The child was transported via helicopter to Atrium Health Carolinas Medical Center in Charlotte. A preliminary investigation revealed that the incident occurred while children were left unsupervised in the home. The firearm involved was not properly secured, which ultimately led to the incident. On June 23rd, warrants were issued for the homeowner's arrest. Berry turned himself in at the Burke County Magistrate's office. Bond was set at $40,000 unsecured. Berry will appear in district court on June 26th. And with details on arrests in Catawba County cases, here's Rob Eastwood.
A Hickory man was arrested on firearm and drug charges. Following the arrest earlier this week, he was placed in the Catawba County Detention Facility without bond. 37-year-old Keon Gaither of 12th Street Court Southeast in Hickory was arrested Tuesday by Conover Police. He's charged with possession of a firearm by a felon and possession of marijuana up to 1/2 ounce. Gaither has multiple convictions listed on the North Carolina Department of Adult Correction Offender Public Information website. The convictions occurred in 2005 and 2008 in Catawba County. Following Tuesday's arrest, Gaither was jailed in the Catawba County Detention Facility without bond as he awaited a Wednesday court date. 45-year-old Joseph Dante Sims of 2nd Avenue Northwest in Hickory was arrested Monday by Catawba County Sheriff's officers. He's charged with felony failure to register as a sex offender. Sims is a sex offender as a result of a conviction in Catawba County in 2004 for indecent liberties with a minor. Sims received 18 to 22 months in prison and 42 months probation. The offense occurred in 2002. Following Monday's arrest, Sims was incarcerated in the Catawba County Detention Facility under $10,000 bond. He was scheduled to appear in district court in Newton on Tuesday. Reporting from Newton for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob, and thank you all for joining us here on the Crime Report. For WHKY, I'm Ralph Mangum, reminding you to keep it clean and keep it legal.